What you doing? What do you have? What is it? An arrow. Where'd you find it?
Arrow right here. Got a white arrow.
Oh wow. I can't see you. Now I can't see you. But what are you doing? You need these pictures for posterity. For posterity. What did you find over there? You found something over there. What was it? By the car? You sure are tall in this picture. Hi there, Wesley. Hi. What you doing? Can you squeal for me? Squeal. Let me see your face, beautiful. Matthew, do you want to climb this hill?
Okay.
Right here? I'll take a picture of you climbing. Uh-oh, you almost fell there. Is that hard to do? Is that hard to do? You did it. Did you get down that avalanche? You did it! Congratulations! What's going on up there, huh? Oh boy, go get her. Go get her, go. Let's go get her. Go get her. Come on, go get her. Come on. Go get her. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Over here, Wesley. Over there.
What you guys gonna do today? Fire kite. Oh boy, where are you going? Where are you going, Matthew? Where you going, Wesley?
Tell her about it. Come on, tell her. You tell her about it. Come on, little guy. Come on, tell her about it.
I see Matthew.